Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how you can remove background in just one click in the Adobe Photoshop. So let's start the complete workflow tutorial. Here you can see that this is an Adobe Photoshop layout. Now I will also tell you some basic things about Photoshop. Here you can select the Create New option and then you have the option to choose the size of your project. Here you can fill the details as per your needs. I will tell you these things in the upcoming topic. After making the desired options, you can select the Create button to make a new project, and here you can see that your untitled project is created. Now for the background removing process, you can simply drag your image here or you can open the image manually. So now I am opening the image manually. Now I am clicking this home button again and going to the Photoshop starting screen. Here you can see the open option below the create button. Now you can pick this and browse your image from its desired system location. After selecting the required image, then you can hit the open button to load your image in the Photoshop for background removing process. Here you can see that your image successfully loaded in the software panel. And here you can see that your image has a background. Now for removing background, what we have to do is here on the left side, you can see the Properties tab. In this tab, you can get the background removing option. If you can't get this option here, then you have to go to the Windows option. In the Window option, you can see the multiple options are visible on its drop-down. But here need to check the Properties option from the drop-down. After that, you can get the Properties tab on the left side. So now let me show you the background removing option under the Properties tab. But first I will tell you the manual method for removing the background. Here you can see the selection options by these selection options. You can select the background manually, but when you are a beginner, then it's very complicated to mask out the background perfectly. And it's also very time-taking method. So for save your time and make your job easy, let me show the background removing option. By this you can remove the background in just one click. For getting this option, you have to scroll down the Properties tab options and find the Remove Background option. If you can't find the Remove Background option here, then make sure that your layer is unlocked. If your layer is locked, then the Remove Background option is not visible in the Properties tab. So let me unlock this layer first, and then you can see that under the Properties tab, Remove Background is visible. Now I am clicking this option to remove the background in just one click. Now you can see that our image background is removed successfully. Let's show you dragging the image. I think it's looking fine and the option remove the background perfectly. Now let me add on thing more. I will make a different background. For this image, you can also use this method to add the background as per your needs. So I think now you will learn a simple method for the background removing process. In upcoming videos, we will learn lot more interesting things. So keep learning with us. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video.